Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, I'll show you how to make bottle gourd halwa with natural sweetener and also with lots of dry fruits, which can be great ideal one for babies and toddlers, growing kids too. Now, it's not that kids do not like Indian foods, Indian sweets. We are not trying enough and giving them multiple varieties. So this bottle gourd halwa, it's tasty because I've added lots of dry fruits in it and it is sweetened with coconut sugar. Do you know coconut sugar tastes amazing when compared to organic jaggery? This is why the cost difference. Also, it is highly nutritious. I have made a detailed video on how good is coconut sugar. Do check that. And I mean, it just gives such a nutty taste that I loved it. When I made it with sugar and when I made it with jaggery, trust me, I loved the jaggery version. Now to tell you about bottle gourd, it is rich in vitamins, minerals and essential nutrients, and it helps keep the body hydrated. It is great to offer when babies have constipation, but in this recipe I'm adding milk, so I would say avoid it. There is a bottle gourd puree recipe which you can offer to children when they have digestion issues. Other than that, bottle gourd halwa I mean is super nutritious, super healthy because of the amazing taste and super ingredients used in it. So let's dive right in and see how to make this. At first, let's see the list of ingredients required to make this bottle gourd halwa. To begin with, in a pan, I'm adding ghee, followed by some chopped nuts, pista and cashew nuts I'm adding in here. We'll just roast it for about 2 minutes and take it aside. This would be added to the dessert once we have cooked it. I'm taking bottle gourd or lauki, peeling the skin, grating it down and adding it here along with some more ghee in the same pan. Now we'll fry this in this ghee. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes and it is a very important step to slow down and keep mixing it. And once you feel that the raw smell of the bottle gourd is gone, now we will add in milk, followed by dry fruits powder. This you can purchase on our store. I have used kesar. What I did was I added few twigs of kesar beforehand and then added into the mixture. Now we will start cooking it. We need to cook this for a longer time in the pan. It may take for about 15 minutes for this to happen. Please be patient when this is getting done because this step is very important as we are cooking it in a pan. In case you can pressure cook it, well and good. For 2 whistles you can cook it, and once done, the same method next can be followed. I am now adding in coconut sugar here. This also can be purchased from a store. You know what? The beauty of this recipe is coconut sugar because when you try to replace sugar with something else, you still need to be sure that the taste is going good. And once you mix it, it may take for a while because it leaves water again and then it needs to thicken up for a bit more time. For 5 more minutes you will have to keep mixing and stirring, and then once cooked you can add in the dry fruits and it's ready to be served now. So don't buy the looks. This absolutely tastes yummy and trust me, you will come back and tell me that this tasted delicious and nothing compared with this. I'm a responsible parent and I always ensure to avoid junk and avoid something which is chemical laden like sugar. So these sort of recipes I keep trying. I have made rice halwa with coconut sugar, beetroot halwa with dates. There is millet kheer recipe and plenty of such halwa and multigrain laddu recipe as well you can find. So lot of Indian sweets varieties I keep making and sharing it with you. Consider subscribing to my channel. Link to all these recipes will be in the description box. Check that as well. And I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.